if you guys want to know how to make these cute little Dollar Tree DIY vases using all Dollar Tree products except for the twine, then keep on watching. Very simple, very easy, anybody could do it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another DIY, and it's probably going to be more of a fall type DIY because we are getting into fall weather and I wanted to do something a little bit different. But I did see an inspiration of, I follow this thing on Instagram and it's called Dollar Tree DIYs, and somebody had took one of these and painted it white, brought it back to life, and they added like flowers that look like this. I don't know if you can see this, but they put like lilies, like spring type flowers in here, and I was like, well, since fall's coming around, why not do something fall DIY related? So all you need is a working area, which is my kitchen because I don't have anywhere to really work. I am going to do 2 of these. So you'll need 2 bottles. These are the milk bottles that were bought at the Dollar Tree. They were very hard to find. Not everybody found these. So you can use anything that you want to your nature. Some white paint. And then a little sponge brush, whatever you use to paint. I just picked up some glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. These do seem to work. Twine, burlap, ribbon, whatever the hell y'all call this. I just have some of that left over, and then obviously a hot glue gun. The main thing of the thing is your flowers. So I just picked up some sunflower bouquets. They just look something like this. I'm not going to use all these in here. I just wanted to grab them just to have them. This is wheat. And then I grabbed dripping blossoms. And then I grabbed some of these gypsos, I'm assuming, and just for like accents. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this DIY. So this is what we should be looking at like right now. You can use anything that you want. You can use ribbon if you have ribbon burlap. You can do that. You can also spray paint these. You don't have to paint them. Do whatever you like to do for your own preference. So yeah, that's what we should be looking like as of right now. And then I'm gonna start with the flower piece. So I've already got my flowers cut, so I want to use that one, this tall guy, this thing, and then this obviously for accent pieces. So let's go ahead and get going. We are done, you guys. I really like how these turned out. I think that these are really cute, especially for like fall decor. So yeah, you can change these up to any style that you want. You don't have to have fall flowers in here. You can use whatever. You could put Halloween flowers. You could do whatever you want. I just think that they turned out really nice. And it only cost me $2 for the bottles. For obviously I spent more because I bought more bottles, but $2, and then it cost me $7 to make these little bottles, and this is what they turned out looking like. I think that these turned out really cute. You could also make like little wedding things out of these. I think this would be really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY Dollar Tree craft with me. If you did, please give this video a big huge thumbs up, and as always I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon. You're beautiful, stay true to yourself, don't let nobody tell you otherwise.